Have you ever noticed that the moon looks huge when it rises, but much smaller later in the night? It almost feels like it shrinks as it climbs the sky. But here's the truth. The moon does not actually change size. So what's going on? This effect is called the moon illusion, and it's one of the oldest and most fascinating tricks your brain plays on you. A lot of people think the Earth's atmosphere magnifies the moon when it's near the horizon. Sounds logical, right? But it's actually wrong. In fact, the atmosphere slightly distorts and flattens the moon. It doesn't make it bigger. If you take a photo of the moon when it's rising and compare it to one taken later at night, you'll see they're almost exactly the same size. The real explanation comes from how your brain interprets distance and size. When the moon is near the horizon, you see it alongside buildings, trees, and mountains. Your brain compares the moon to these objects and assumes it must be very far away. This connects to a concept called size-distance scaling. Basically, when something looks farther away but still appears large, your brain concludes it must be huge. When the moon is high in the sky, it's surrounded by nothing. No trees, no buildings, no reference points. Your brain loses its sense of scale. So even though the moon is the exact same size, it now appears smaller because there's nothing to compare it to. Here's a simple way to prove it. Next time you see a big moon on the horizon, hold up your finger and cover it. Later, when it's high in the sky, do the same thing. You'll notice your finger covers it just as easily both times. Same moon, same size. Just a different illusion. So the moon doesn't grow or shrink at all. What changes is how your brain interprets what you're seeing. The moon illusion reminds us of something powerful. Sometimes what feels real is just perception. And once you see it, you can't unsee it.